Hello and welcome to Flores Online. In today's video, we're going to be covering the topic NFT projects getting destroyed by Paperhands. If you're new here, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to this channel and stay up to date on the latest crypto shenanigans in the virtual world. The sole purpose of my YouTube channel is to share my knowledge and experience with you all. In the previous videos, we talked about the risk of holding NFTs they don't tell you about and the truth about flipping NFTs. In this video, I want to talk about projects that were destroyed by Paperhands within 30 minutes. Are Paperhands the cause of destroyed projects? How can we create a better and more thriving NFT space? Today, we are going to discuss 3 projects, Metapenguin Island, Monoloco, and Metamoose, where I decided to participate and watch great projects with great potential get destroyed by easily spooked holders. For those of you who aren't familiar with the term Paperhands, or also known as weak hands, it means someone who sells in panic at the first sign of any trouble. We all know that we need consistency and patience in order to reach our goals in life. Well, the same applies with NFTs. Getting through the tough times can be challenging, and seeing the value increase and decrease is stressful as hell. But come on guys, do you really want to be known for having weak hands? Do you really want to end up losing money when you could make so much? These short-term NFT holders are a real threat to the NFT space. If you don't have faith in the project, why get involved at all? A few months ago, an anonymous Twitter account popped up with the alias of Sam Witwicky, or @IBlameNFTs, and has unveiled a useful tool where you can see your unrealized profits. In other words, how much money you could have actually made if you held onto your precious NFTs instead of trading them. The website of the profit calculator goes by www.paperhands.gg. When you visit it, you enter your wallet address or ENS to sign into MetaMask and see for yourself how much you gambled with your Paperhands. On October 20th in 2021, he tweeted, "Ever wonder how much you lost out on by selling an NFT too early?" and attached the link of the calculating tool. It caught a lot of attention, and a lot of people commented that it hurts to check, and they hate to see what damage they did. Huh, useful? I think so. It definitely caught a lot of attention, but still not enough to stop people from becoming weaklings or Paperhands. Being the curious guy that I am, I decided to analyze 3 projects and see for myself. What I witnessed was projects being brutally destroyed by Paperhands in less than 30 minutes. I scoured the OpenSea thoroughly and analyzed the overall activity to see what people are doing, how much they are paying, what catches their eye, and I literally saw people buy an NFT for 0.25 plus gas fee and then go ahead and sell it for 0.21 or even lower. They completely demotivated other potential buyers by selling their NFTs at a price even lower than the buying price. Wow, what a waste of money, am I right? As we all know, the world of NFTs is a space to let your creativity run wild, and it's built for talented artists to have a chance to monetize their one-of-a-kind artwork. There are many popular platforms where you can buy your virtual art, also known as non-fungible tokens, NFTs. I chose to analyze the floor prices and values of Metapenguin Island, Monoloco, and Metamoose. The reason I chose Metapenguin Island is the high-quality resolution of the animations that were designed by none other than Maurice Baltisen and Thomas Loopstra, Europe's prominent 3D specialists and digital artists. If you're not familiar with their work, they have collaborated with brands like Coca-Cola, Adidas, Samsung, Porsche, Microsoft, and many more. I didn't just randomly pick their project, I did my research. In the project's trailer, I got to see a sneak peek of the penguin's whole rendered and animated body. Amazing. A project like this makes a great investment, don't you agree? Well, from what I witnessed, it wasn't. The value and prices kept dropping down because of these Paperhands that had no faith in the project. Metapenguin Island's original collection consisted of 8,888 uniquely designed penguins, which are categorized by levels of rarity, and their quality is generated in 4K resolution. Because of people giving up too early and selling when they shouldn't have, their current collection is down to 3,581 penguins, and their current floor price is 0.049. Next up, let's discuss Monoloco. Designed and styled by Dolce & Gabbana, Dior and Burberry high-end stylist and incredibly talented 3D artists. The team joined forces and created each element in a very unique way. Their influence comes from the Mayan culture mixed with the European high fashion industry. From what I've gathered, Paul Gomez is the lead designer of this project, and his goal was to explore all the possibilities that 3D has to offer, while still creating a fashion project. Monoloco is a project that in some way awakens your wild side. Monoloco's collection consists of 3,333 NFTs with over 100 rare and one-of-a-kind elements, and their current floor price is 0.2. The website NFTculture.com says that people holding Monolocos receive an airdrop which unlocks a carefully put-together smart contract that allows the holders to receive payouts from the 80% of all Monoloco capsules, which can be worn as jewelry, accessories, clothing, and decorative items. So basically, 80% made off of these pieces will go into the holders' pockets. Sounds cool and profitable, right guys? So much work and effort has been put into this project, and yet I still watched the Paperhands destroy it. Each time I refreshed the link on OpenSea, I got more and more disappointed. Do you want to hear another not-so-fun fact? Did you know that their original collection was 6,666? No? I didn't think so. Everything was going great for them, until the Paperhands decided to ruin it. The Monoloco team was disappointed in their holders, and they shared a tweet that they are going to cut their collection in half. The first Monoloco NFT was sold for about 0.8 Ethereum, then later for 0.4, after that for 0.3. So disappointing. When I decided to do my research on Metamoose, and I came across their website, I was fascinated. They even served us with an origin story of how the Meese were in grave danger in their peaceful home because another world was on course to collide with theirs. So yada yada, they had to escape to a new world called the Metaverse. I mean, what a story! So creative. They literally decided to go from whisper to roar. The team that worked on this project is known and respected for their work on projects like Pokemon, Star Wars, Lion King, X-Men, Godzilla, Jurassic World, and so much more. The original Metamoose collection had 8,888 freaking NFTs, and now their collection consists of 1,111 NFTs, and their current floor price is at 0.24. So naturally, when I found out about all of this, I thought to myself, I'll stay a while on their OpenSea page and see what happens. And guys, you'll never guess what happened. Or can you? Ugh. I got so frustrated Paperhands got spooked too easily and didn't even give this project a proper chance. Not only did they manage to drag down the overall number of NFTs, but they plummeted the floor price, and no wonder the project didn't stand a chance. People who are serious NFT collectors and holders, also known as diamond hands, are losing so much money because of these Paperhands. I mean, they are committed to holding their artwork through the good and bad. They put their money, time, and long-term faith in the NFTs they bought, only to end up with nothing. There are people who have high-risk tolerance and stomach through the ups and downs of their purchases, and they see these people who sell under pressure as a threat. Gary Vee even tweeted, "Paperhands will be destroyed, #VFriends." And boy, did his tweet get a lot of traffic and attention. The main and most important question is, how can we create a better and more thriving NFT space? In my opinion, it's all about the mindset that you possess. If something inside you has told you to invest in a particular visual art, listen to it. If your goal is to make loads of money, don't forget about that goal so easily and in such a short time. Give it time. Well, at the end of the day, not everybody has the same goal, and not everybody will end up earning more than they invested. When it comes to this virtual art called non-fungible tokens, we need to have a positive mindset and not give up easily. That doesn't mean that we should keep our NFTs forever and not achieve a thing with our purchase. My word of advice to you all is to spend a lot of time researching what you're interested in buying, have reasonable expectations, and don't be stubborn. What do you guys think? How can we get rid of these weaklings and not ruin every project that shows tremendous potential? Don't be shy. Hit me up with a comment about your opinion and share your ideas. This very educational video must come to an end. I hope you enjoyed it. Comment down below which topics you'd like me to cover and hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on your crypto knowledge. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.